friend of
True
yours.
say.
Yeah, I'm
Umva.
telling you.
Mukende ubuze kwakira umushyitsi
Yes. I need to tell people, those stingy boyfriends, nah.
Umva, turakira umushyitsi w'imera cyane hano mu Rwanda mu masaha imbere. Kubera ko mu kanya nabonye bari ku kibuga cy'indege cya Benin. Bafata private jet berekeza hano mu Rwanda. Ndavuga Ashton Hal, Ashton Small, ndetse na Ashton India.
Ago ndashaka kuba Ashton B.
Nawe urashaka kwinjira muri family.
Ndiba Ashton girl.
Yeah. Sasa uyu nguyu ni umu sportif ukomeye cyane muri Leta Zunze za Amerika. Tujya tumubona ku mbuga nkoranyambaga akora amasiporo agiye atandukanye, yiruka ari kumwe n'abastar bagiye batandukanye. Nibuka last year DJ Khaled yashyize hanze album akoresha uno Ashton mu rwego rwo kuyamamaza. So ni umuntu uri close byatari n'abastar bagiye batandukanye.
Amaze kumenyekana ahantu hose ku isi.
Sana.
Yes, I wish natwe Ashton wacu nawe amenyekane mu bastar batandukanye nabo bamukoresha mu. Yes.
Ariko batangiye kumupostinga abastar bano mu Rwanda bibonye.
Ko erega reka nkubwize ukuri utaramenyekana nta muntu wagupostinga.
Ariko se kubera iki abantu turi babi? Dukunda abantu b'abastar.
Nabivuga mu Kinyarwanda. Ariko aba hakurya baravuga ngo bagararina bakunda bafite. Yes, utabaye nta kintu ufite. Nta kintu bakumarira.
Bazadukunda ni
ubu reka nkubwize ukuri numara kubyimbamo kidogo. Aya.
Ko zizaba nyinshi. Tag nyinshi cyane.
Bazagupostinga they'll be like, oh my god, I'm proud of you. Oh, this and this and this.
Twizeraga mu mano yawe ubushobozi bwawe ibintu nk'ibyo.
But where were you when I was suffering?
I hate it. Aba bantu uzabirukana nabi cyane.
I know.
So Ashton Small na Ashton Hal bashobora kugera hano mu Rwanda mu masaha 10 ari imbere
kubera ko Ashton wundi se wo muhinda
India nawe ndi kumwibagirwa mu kuntu
sizi ko nibutse ko nawe ajyabaye.
So tubitegure rero kubera ko nabonye abanyarwanda benshi babategereje.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
Nizere ko bizabana neza whatever they are planning for us.
Just say.
Yes. But there's a pilot that jumped out of the door of a moving plane to his death.
Come on.
This is a guy urumva uturuka muri Argentina. Urumva his Bertazo is 42 years only. He was an instructor. Urumva. So I think these people be going through a lot of things.
Yeah.
So burya abantu iyo bagenda ntumenya what kind of depressions they're going through.
Nukubona umuntu aseka gusa.
Exactly. Yiteguye avana maikoterize neza, avana bag, avana seat belt, akanda mabuto bya bindi byabo babajya bakanda, aranje ahera hindukira abwira umunyeshuri we.
Ndakeka wabikora.
The co-pilot. I'm going to say, I hope you're going to land the people safely.
Imagine.
She couldn't imagine what was happening until the guy opened the door and he left.
I think if I just carry blood.
I know, right? If it were you, would you believe it? But that is something crazy.
Nari guhita ninyarira ku kanya. None ngiye kubera ko ngira ubwoba bw'indege. Zoxy. Hari umuntu yigeze kuma free ticket indege. Ndanga.
Why?
Nukuri kw'Imana ndayitinya byatse. Sana.
Bibaho nagari wenyine.
Wikomeza guhangayikishwa nuko amayinite yawe ahora ashira kuko MTN